everybody, it's me, Aidan, and welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today, we're going to be making Halva Spread, which is a traditional Moroccan spread. The ingredients that we're using are Celtic sea salt, tahini, vanilla extract, honey, and honey white bread. Uh-oh. The items that we're using are my signature big cutting board, a bowl to mix it, a plate, a spoon, and a half a teaspoon. One last thing. In the trash can. Grabbing our bowl, popping off the tahini lid, and pouring it in. Now, I want to grab our vanilla and our half a teaspoon. First, open up our vanilla. Put it in your right hand if you're righty. Then hold your half a teaspoon all the way to the top. Have a hand help. You want to be precise. Get honey. Put it in. And last step for the base. Give your salt. Guys, this is the simplest recipe ever. That's done. Now, we need to toast our bread. Guys, you know, your parents sometimes want to save these ties, but I don't. Bye-bye. Pat a cake, pat a cake. Crumbs just went on my face. Now let's toast it. Drop it in. If it was just frozen, put it to 4, 5, put it down, press defrost. Now we wait. Guess what I do when I wait? Just wait. Just kidding. I like to dance. Let's check. Perfect. Guys, I don't like to just pull it out. I like to... I can't believe we made Halva Spread. It's time to try. It's so messy, but it's worth it. Gotta go for another one.
Thank you all for watching this here video.